Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DefAct. I am a final year artificial intelligence engineering student and I am trying to build my career in cybersecurity, specifically as a SOC analyst. Let's keep this short and clean. I'll show you the exact roadmap I am following right now. So these are the 5 phases. Phase 1 is all about foundations, networking, Windows and Linux, and the security basics. And the basic stuff like TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP traffic, and authentication log, and understanding what's normal because bina fundamentals के alerts literally makes no sense. Phase 2 Core SOC skills. Phase 2 is where real SOC thinking starts. Log analysis and alert triage. You should know how to deal with logs, understand logs, not just clicking around dashboards, but figuring out what matters, what's noise, and what's actually suspicious. Event versus incidents, correlating logs with multiple systems and slowing down instead of panicking, right? Phase 3 Tools and technologies, and yeah, this is where LetsDefend come in, and the SIEM Engineer labs help me a lot along the way. Here, I am learning how SIEM pipelines work behind the scenes, how logs flow, how correlations rule fire alerts, and using tools like Wazuh, Splunk, and XDR platforms. You should know the SPL queries to deal with the data. Currently, I am working with Splunk plus mapping everything to MITRE ATT&CK framework because interviewers love that stuff. Phase 4 Threat detection. Phase 4 is basically thinking like an attacker but defending phishing emails, sketchy URLs, malware behavior, brute force patterns, and tracking lateral movement across various machines. This is where case actually gets interesting. Phase 5 Incident response. Phase 5 is incident response basics: what to contain first, what to escalate, what to eradicate, how to preserve evidence, and how incidents flow from detection to recovery manner. Even as a L1 analyst, you need to understand the big picture, not just closing the tickets, right? Training source which I am following from few months along with self practice. I am also following the structured guidance from Defronix Academy, learning under Nitesh Singh sir. His SOC 1 analyst classes started on 25th January on YouTube and it's totally free. And I'm running those lessons side by side with my hands-on labs. So that's all. This is my final year SOC plan. Simple, structured, and a very hands-on. If you are aiming for blue team roles too, go check out LetsDefend. It helped me a lot with real SOC style investigations along the journey, solving the scenarios, work with the alert paths, and treat every case like a production traffic. That's how you rebuild real world SOC experience. Follow DefAct and comment which phase you are grinding right now. Thank you.